你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will share Chinese language learning courses on my channel and talking about Chinese culture. Okay, today we are going to learn the vocabularies about food and drinks in Chinese. Let's start. The firstly, rice is 米饭. Please repeat. 米饭米饭米饭 Okay, next one. Noodles 面条 Please repeat. 面条面条面条 Noodles and rice are the main foods of Chinese people. Let's look at the next one. Fruit 水果水果水果 Next, vegetables 蔬菜 Please repeat. 蔬菜蔬菜蔬菜 Great. Let's review. First, rice 米饭米饭 Noodles 面条面条 Fruit 水果水果 Vegetables 蔬菜蔬菜 Very good. And if I want to say I like to eat rice, I would say 我喜欢吃米饭我 means I 喜欢 means like 吃 is a verb means eat. Please repeat. 吃吃 I like to eat rice. 我喜欢吃米饭 Okay, if I want to say I like to eat fruit, how would I say? That's right. It's 我喜欢吃水果。我喜欢吃水果。Now, can you tell me what do you like to eat? 我喜欢吃。我喜欢吃。Okay, if I want to say I don't like eat noodles, I would say 我不喜欢吃面条。不喜欢 means don't like. Together, 我不喜欢吃 面条 I don't like to eat noodles. Please tell me which food you don't like to eat. 我不喜欢吃。我不喜欢吃。Very good. Let's continue. Water 水 Please repeat. 水水水 Milk is 牛奶 牛 means cow. Please repeat. 牛奶牛奶牛奶 Next, tea 茶 Please repeat. 茶茶茶 Okay, finally, coffee 咖啡咖啡咖啡 Let's review. Water 水水 Milk 牛奶牛奶 Tea 茶茶 Coffee 咖啡咖啡 Okay, if I want to say I want to drink milk, I would say 我想喝牛奶喝 means drink. Please repeat. 喝喝我想喝牛奶 I want to drink milk. If I want to drink tea, how would I say? That's right. 我想喝茶。我想喝茶。Good. Now, can you tell me what you want to drink? 我想喝。我想喝。If I want to say, I don't want to drink coffee, I would say, 我不想喝咖啡。不想 means don't want. Together is 我不想喝咖啡。I don't want to drink coffee. Please tell me which one you don't want to drink. 我不想喝。Very good. Let's review what we learned today. Rice 米饭米饭 Noodles 面条面条 fruit 水果水果 vegetables 蔬菜蔬菜 water 水水 milk 牛奶牛奶 tea 茶茶 coffee 咖啡咖啡 Could you tell me which food you prefer or not? 我喜欢吃 and 我不喜欢吃 Finally, about drink 我想喝 and not 我不想喝 Okay, that's today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. 再见。